The opposition United Zimbabwe Alliance UZA party has condemned the arrest of scores of CCC activists on Sunday on allegations of participating in a gathering with the intent to promote violence, breaches of peace, or bigotry as well as disorderly conduct. Sabina mashoko ataugwa ne-opposition UZA kuti bva wasubscribe like on the bell icon. Tivina mnaonera vachiti, in a statement, UZA, which is led by Elizabeth Valerio, condemned the arrests, saying the police were heavy-handed in targeting a peaceful meeting. The party said the authorities described the gathering as unsanctioned, an accusation frequently used to suppress political dissent in Zimbabwe. Police intervention reportedly turned violent, and it was claimed the youths were provoked, leading to clashes. Such incidents clearly reveal the oppressive tactics employed to stifle opposition voices and the blatant disregard for constitutional rights. Sections 58 and 59 of the Zimbabwean Constitution explicitly protect freedom of assembly and association, as well as the right to demonstrate and petition, but these rights were flagrantly violated during the arrest. This event is not an isolated incident, but part of a broader pattern of intimidation and political repression plaguing Zimbabwe. Ndomashwaruya takavana pane opposition UZA vachiti aiwa zvakaitiwa ne the Republic Police ne government yeZimbabwe hazvisiri zvinoti vakaviolate mutemo, but ivo vari kusunga vanhu vari innocent. Zvotudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pemashoko awo pinai comment section medu. Musangano subscribe, kulike, turn on the bell icon.